Right, so here I have this data with a column with the manager's name and then a column with team members' names for each of the manager. Now, my whole idea here is to sort these names within a single cell using ascending order. You can see here these names have a random order here. I have the first name starting from S and then from R, from A, D, and I. So for this, first of all, I'm going to enter the text split function, select my cell, enter the delimiter, that's comma and space, and hit enter. And here you can see I have all the names splitted into multiple cells, but that's not something I want. So before I move ahead, I need to sort these names. So I'll use the sort function, sort index 1 and sort index 1, sort order ascending, and sort by column. And now you can see all these names are sorted in the ascending order, starting from A to Z. Now what I'll do, as I need all these names within a single cell, so I'll use text join function, specify my delimiter, and that's again a comma and a space, and 2 for empty values. And I already have the sorted names from sort and text split functions, and I'm going to close the text join here. And here you can see now my names are sorted in the ascending order. So I have name with A and then D, I, R, and S. And let me just drag this formula down. That's it.